So this air condition unit is not working. It's a Toshiba RAS 13NKP2L. It is receiving signals from the remote, but it is not turning on. The operation lamp keeps blinking all the time. The first check I did was to make sure that the remote control was functioning. So I used the remote and checked this infrared receiver, to make sure that I was getting signal out. Then I looked at the circuitry, the circuit board. On the circuit board, you can see there's a microcontroller here and various other components. There's a 5-volt voltage regulator here and a 12-volt voltage regulator here. I have to check to make sure I'm getting the 12 volts. This pink wire here runs up into the circuit board here, and underneath this connection, which goes to the outdoor unit, there's a thermal fuse. So that's okay, I checked that. So the signals from the microcontroller, which is here, the inputs, like the remote, goes to the microcontroller, and then a signal is sent out to this Darlington switching circuit here, this Darlington array. The Darlington array switches the buzzer and also switches the louver fan. So I have to check to see if this Darlington array is getting power and if it is switching the louver fan. So I've connected the oscilloscope to pin 20, which drives the buzzer. That's pin 20 on the microcontroller. Now let's see what happens. We should get a pulse. So that pulse drives the Darlington array, which then drives the buzzer and the other relays. What happened while poking around the microcontroller, I noticed that the resonator pin, when I touched the resonator pin, the X-in resonator pin, then the air conditioner started to work. So I resoldered those pins, and hopefully this should be the solution to this problem. So the air conditioner works now. Thanks for watching.